What's going on, fam? We are back, and today is Friday. What is it? The 4th, October 4th. So we got some college football on today, and NBA preseason starts today. NHL is going as well. So we got a lot going on today. So we're gonna hop in. I got 3 free plays for you today, so make sure you stay throughout the video to lock in all 3 of those, because we're gonna be cashing on every single one of those today. But yesterday's game between Tampa Bay and Atlanta, that is the perfect game that we want from people for betting. Like, just go out, throw for a shizload of yards. Everybody hits their over. Everybody's happy. The only one that I wasn't happy with was Bijan Robinson. I had him in a couple for getting a anytime TD, rushing or receiving. He didn't end up getting that, but we cashed on a lot of them. And how about Kirk Cousins for throwing for over 500 yards and that crazy overtime win? But that just shows you, like, screw Baker Mayfield. Like, that guy he had like 120 in the first half, and he just quit throwing the ball in the second half, and ended with like 180. Missed his lower line of 199, so that freaking sucked. But that's what you get. Like, quit throwing the ball, and Atlanta just kept throwing and came back and won that game. So props to Atlanta there. But let's hop into a couple of what we won. We hit this Taco Tuesday with Asia Wilson and Chris Godwin. Hit this Taco Tuesday with Chris Godwin and Bijan Robinson. Barely hit that one. We hit this one over on Chalkboard with Kirk Cousins, Koo, and Godwin. And then we hit this one over on Chalkboard as well with Mooney, Evans, and Cousins. Hit this one on Chalkboard with Lugo and Kirk Cousins. Hit this one on Chalkboard with Fernando Tatis Jr. and Chris Godwin. Hit this one with Chris Godwin. We had a lot with Chris Godwin, and he came through for us. Then we hit this one on BETR. This was, if you guys aren't familiar with BETR, they're Jake Paul's app. You can use promo code 907fantasy over there, and they're going to match your deposit up to $200 and go play with. But this one, we hit $10. We did like a flex play. I don't exactly know. I think it's dynamic play for BETR is what they call it. But we won 15 there, and this one was a free protected entry. So if we lost anything there, we'd get our money back. But we turned 10 into 15 in there, so nothing crazy, but still a little bit of profit there. And then we hit a couple of those on BETR as well. So we are back today. We got some new picks for you. We got 3 of them. One on Sleeper, one on BETR, one on Chalkboard. And you can use promo code 907fantasy on all 3 of those apps, and they're going to get you some free money. So Sleeper and Chalkboard are going to match your deposit up to $100. And then BETR is going to match your deposit up to $200. So really, you only have to put $10 in, and they're going to match that deposit up to 100%. So $10 into 20, or if you put $200 in, you'll have $400 to go play with for this weekend. And we got some picks for you. Also, got the new Monster, the Ultra Vice Guava. This thing is a banger. It's a good one. So let's hop into what we're going with. If you guys want any of the plays, you can go up here to the Winible, Winible.com/907fantasysports. You can sign up for the free plan over there. I send out daily free pick videos. And then if you guys are interested in VIP as well, we went up over 60 units last week, and that's going to be down there in the description below or the Winible there. But if you use the code BAKER, it's going to get you 80% off of the weekend pass right now. There's only 3 spots available left there. And then code Nico is going to get you 50% off if Baker doesn't still work for you. But let's hop into the first one. First one, we're going over on Chalkboard. And they've boosted Cam Cook's rushing yards line for 53.5 rushing yards for TCU. Houston has a pretty good defense. Their offense is trash. A lot of people are starting to take TCU's unders for passing and receiving there. So it's a good spot for Cam Cook to come in here and get some rushing yards. A 2x multiplier on that one. So we're taking Cam Cook, and then we're going Ricky White of UNLV over 84.5 receiving yards. And then Trebor Pena over 65.5 receiving yards over on that Syracuse UNLV game. So I think that's going to be a shootout. Good game there. We're hoping, at least I'm hoping, that Syracuse is playing from behind a little bit so that they can keep passing the ball there. But that's a good one there for good multiplier. I want to say that's like a 8x multiplier or something like that. So yeah, take that one. Second one is going to be over on Sleeper. You can use the code 907fantasy over there. They're going to match your deposit up to $100. So you'll have $100 to go and play with. But NHL is back today. So I'm not really into NHL. But if they're going to give me a discount prop, I'll take it. So they've discounted Hughes shots on goals to 1.5. So we're taking the over there, and then we're matching that up with Kyle McCord and Treybor Pena. Kyle McCord over 312 passing yards, and then Pena to get 5 receptions of that. So this is a nice little one, $10 into basically $50 here for the second free play. Now, if you guys want more of these free plays and more plays for this weekend, we have over 15 half green plays right now over on the weekend pass. And then we're going to be sending out another probably 40 to 50 plays for this weekend. So we're going to be cashing big, looking to go up another 40 to 50 units this weekend. But you can get that on the NFL College Football Week Pass. That's going to get you all the plays from now until Sunday, through Sunday for college football. Maybe a little bit of basketball preseason, we'll see. But definitely college football and NFL. And any other plays that are matching up with that. So there's going to be plays on probably Underdog, Sleeper, Chalkboard, maybe some PrizePicks, and then definitely on BETR as well. So you can use, if you want to go over there, use the code Baker. That's going to get you 80% off of the weekend pass. So it's going to be $20 for you. There's only 3 spots available left for that code. If that code is sold out, use the code Nico. And that's going to get you 50% off. And there's 10 slots available there. So go ahead and go get signed up over there. Go sell those out. If you guys sell those out, might restock some more, but we'll see. Lastly, we're going over to BETR for the last free play here. And this is going to be, they've discounted Dylan Gabriel's completions from 24.5, I believe it was, to 20.5. So we're taking the over on Dylan Gabriel's completions here. And then we're matching that up with Kyle McCord to go over 308 passing yards. So a nice little $10 into $30, 3x payout there. Use the code 907fantasy over there. That's Jake Paul's app. Usually all the other apps are giving you a $100 match bonus. This one's $200. So make sure to take advantage of that extra free money to go and play with. Go get signed up and use that code. So those are the 3 free plays for today. Like I said, if you guys want more free plays, go up here to the Winible, winnable.com/907fantasysports. Get signed up for the free plan there because we'll be sending out some more over there. So good luck with all of your plays today. If you're going to be telling me on any of these, let me know down in the comments below. Love to hear from you guys. But let's go have another awesome day. Go cash some money and go up to a few more units. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.